Okay, a vomit or a peach?
What does a vomit taste like?
You're about to find out.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, guys, as you can see, we have a special participation. Mr. Mackenzie! Yay!
First player.
Yeah. So guys, what we're going today is we're going to do the bean Boozled challenge. So I think like you've got an idea already, guys, what it is, but I'm gonna tell you. Basically, we've got these beans, guys, the jelly beans. They look identical, but then they actually don't taste the same, guys. So we'll see who's lucky and who's unlucky. So guys, we have 7 different colors here, guys, and we're going to start with the brown one. So this one, so it could be a canned dog food or a chocolate pudding. So okay, we've got one each now, guys, and see, guys, actually we've got tissue already here, guys. All right, in the count of 3, 2, 1.
Stop.
I can't even tell.
This is probably chocolate pudding, man.
What else?
Huh?
Pudding?
I'm saying this is probably pudding. She just doesn't like anything.
Mine is probably a dog food, but it tastes okay.
Me too.
Murag tahi. Tastes like a poo. It smells very bad.
Yeah,
How's yours? Yeah.
not like fruit.
Yeah, I think mine is. I
know
can
it.
eat mine, so it's probably. I don't know. It probably is a dog food, but I can eat dog food. Okay, just water. Okay.
Nah, lain king ako ide. Murag iro, murag tayo sa iro.
Let's move on to the yellow one.
What's that?
So this could be a rotten egg
Oh no.
or a buttered popcorn. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Is yours popcorn?
Right. Back attack
Buwan mo na siya, guys. Oy, there's no reaction man. He'll eat everything. And then like it tasted okay at first, and then like, Lord.
Actually, it tastes like toothpaste at first.
Yeah. Like when you get to the middle part, it's like. Okay, so 2 flavors down, guys. So the next one would be. Which one is this one, Mark?
Orange pop.
Is that the peach? So we'll go with this orange one, guys. Big one.
What's that out of?
This could be a dead fish or a strawberry banana smoothie. Okay.
Kato lang may orange ba kay mo sure.
Go.
Dead fish? Jesus.
Dead fish. Kaan mo bulag eh.
Orange maybe.
Huh? Banana smoothie? Okay. Alright, we're all lucky! Yay! It's okay. Yeah, it's smoothie.
Okay.
Alright, that's a good one. So the next one, guys, is this white one, and it says it could be a dirty dishwater or a birthday cake. So yes, okay. Cheers. 3, 2, 1, go.
That's hot.
No, you don't have to. Just show my reaction.
Oh, wow.
No, very stinky.
Smell it.
Murag gilumot eh.
Guys, I'm doing very well. I'm so lucky. We'll see for the next one. I think we only have 3 left. We'll go with. Hang on.
Four,
Let me just finish, ma'am.
4 pa.
Mo naman to sa yellow, ma. Mo ba itong buttered popcorn kaganina?
Ayan.
Careful na ka.
Grabe kay ko ka. Di malas ka rin. Nasa ako tanan malami.
Okay, so we'll go with this one. Pick up yours, Daddy.
What's this?
This could be a buff. What's buff, Daddy?
B-A-T-H.
No, B-A-R-F.
Vomit.
Oh, really? Shit. It could be a buff or a peach. Come here, Mom. So, okay, a vomit or a peach?
What does a vomit taste like?
You're about to find out.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not eating anymore.
Daddy, come here, Daddy. You're Daddy, you're very wise. Daddy, you're not showing your face with the reaction bug. You just back and ran away. You okay? Drink your water.
Oh, stinks.
Drink water. Drink water. We only have 2 left.
Murag ganang pagkanon bitaw nimo. Aya mo
I
guys.
can't eat anymore.
Daddy,
I just ate a vomit and dishwashing.
Dumduman ako. Ang baho sa suka ni Papa mahubog amo ginto akong gikaon.
That one was the worst one.
Come on, Daddy. The last one to be what we got here.
2 more, oy.
Uh,
What's this one?
So this white one. Okay. This one. This could be. So guys, 1 man down.
what is it?
Daddy doesn't want to do it anymore, guys.
Uh-uh.
Oh, he's done. He's finito.
What is it?
This could be a spoiled milk or a coconut. Come on, just one more.
Vomit.
No,
What?
no, that last one, it still stinks in my mouth.
Come on, Daddy. Just one.
No.
Yeah, you can eat
Hey.
chocolate.
Hadlukan. Come on. Go up now. Alright, let's keep going.
Leave it to the fillet.
3, 2,
What's that?
Rotten milk.
spoiled milk or coconut.
1, 2, 3.
It's lucky I didn't play.
Yeah.
Why don't you try one more just for me?
No.
Just in case.
No, it's done. Yeah. No, it's okay.
If I had played, I would have done again the same.
Huh?
If I had played, I would have done again.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll never know until you
It's
try.
yum. It's yum.
Okay, so we're down to our last one, guys. So this black one, this could be a skunk spray
What's
or a licorice.
what's that thing?
It's gonna stink if it, trust me.
The both?
It's
Both
like
of them?
Yeah, imagine you open your mouth and I fart straight in there.
Skunk spray or licorice.
Yeah.
The thing is, I don't eat licorice too, so I don't know.
Oh,
Just grab one.
I trust me.
No, last one. We'll do a last one and then let's see it finish.
Trust me, you'll know the difference. Well, licorice you won't really like anyway, but you'll.
Yeah, try lang.
Just
Last
try.
one, last one.
I can't do it one.
Okay. Ayun, nagpili-pili.
I'll choose the smaller one. So, not too strong.
Cheers.
Okay. Nabay first.
Ano tubig?
Oh man.
Okay.
It smells already.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Not bad.
How come you didn't get it?
I don't know what's the taste of both. I don't even know what.
Alright, double or nothing.
It's not.
It's right.
Nothing but it. Nah.
Double or nothing.
But why it's so black?
Smell it?
I told you. I told you. Yeah, ate. Dude. She was clearly vomit.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Can you smell it?
No, it tasted good at first.
Mutok niya mo
Then
kayo na ako gilakot
it's
na.
starting to.
You smell it?
Yeah, it's in my mouth.
See, I told you, that's why I didn't swallow everything. Because I know it tastes
Guys,
really
that's
bad.
disgusting. It's so bad. Oh, that made me vomit. Oh,
Yuck,
That's
kasi
really bad.
milk ko pag-edit milk mo. Noon kayo, uy.
yeah. So, guys, that's about it for today's video. It was the last one was disgusting for me, guys. It was ugh. Anyways, I feel like Daddy didn't make it to the end. Like it's just like that's it, done. I'm not doing it anymore. But we soldiered it on, guys, until the end, and it's okay. It was fun. So that was the main, you know, reason for this video, just to have fun. But Daddy just like, no, it smells in my mouth. But yeah, what was the experience? Did you like it? The experience? Yeah,
It's funny. Especially Kuya is here. Participating.
Yeah. How was it, Daddy?
It's yum.
Yummy.
The rotten egg?
Yeah. That was disgusting.
But yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. As always, I appreciate your time. Please subscribe to this channel, guys, for more videos, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I'll see you guys.
Please don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe. I just said. So yeah, I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful.
bye.